In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create Gmail account on your phone. So you need to just need Play Store or Gmail account. So you need to go your apps and click on right top option, man option. It's not visible right now. My internet is so slow. So you need to click on there. So yeah, it's visible. So and down, and here is two option: add another account and manage account on the device. So if you can add any account or new account, you need to click on first option, add another account. So I'm click on there. So you need to choose one thing here, just Google, tap on there. Okay, I'm click on there. Few minutes wait, man, it's taking some time. So don't non-patient, you need to keep impatient. So my finger is uh, putting here, so it's kind of loading. So yeah, I'm hoping it's quickly would be done. So yeah, so here is a couple of options. You need to click on create account. So for myself and name, you need to put your name. So I'm putting here my name. So something like that. And next, and day, you should be over 18 years old for creating a Gmail account. So yeah, I'm putting my birthday and I'm male. So and next, so it's straightforward, easy to do. You can do that yourself. So if you can follow this video, so I'm putting custom. You can choose this available for you. So I'm putting custom. So here I'm putting my Gmail that's I am wanting. So I'm trying to that's available or not. Okay, this available. I'm putting password, something like that. So something like that. Okay, you can put three symbol, three number, and two symbol. So yeah, it's straightforward. You can do that yourself. So click on next, and you can put your number or not, no problem. Click on skip on number. Now it's so secure for putting number. So if you have a number, you can skip that, no problem. I'm doing skip and next. So it's done. So it's added my account. So straightforward, you can do that easily yourself. So yeah, okay, see you later.